Consignment is a business model where you give items to a shop to sell on your behalf. Let's look at how it works. At its core, consignment is about selling goods without the store taking ownership of the inventory up front. The store usually keeps a significant cut of the final sale price, which covers their labor, shelf space, and marketing efforts. The key detail is that you only get paid once the store successfully finds a buyer. If it does not sell, you keep your item. Consignment is lower effort than selling items yourself on marketplaces, but you trade potential profit for the convenience of using the store's audience. While you keep more money selling directly, remember to factor in the time spent taking photos, answering messages, and handling shipping. Think of it as a partnership. You are paying the shop for their expertise and foot traffic to help move your goods. Consignment can be a great way to clear out extra items. Check your local shop terms before you drop off your valuables.